Rex Energy, electricity reimagined. As electricity prices increase, more and more people are turning to renewable energy solutions to reduce their costs and minimise their environmental impact. But it's not quite as simple for multi-tenant buildings. Traditional renewable energy systems cannot, from the one system, measure and distribute electricity to multiple tenancies based on individual demand. This means every tenant has to pay the daily fees and rates set by each of their energy retailers, without the option of cheaper and cleaner renewable energy solutions. That's where Rex Energy comes in. We've developed a breakthrough and patented technology that provides a world-first renewable energy solution. Introducing the Rex X1. Our innovative technology platform provides multi-tenant property owners and managers the ability to meter, generate, store and distribute renewable energy live on demand to all individual tenants. At all times, the Rex X1 knows how much energy is being used, when it is being used and who is using it. It is in constant motion, measuring the total electricity demand of all tenants and simultaneously generating and distributing renewable electricity to each tenant, matching their individual demand, all from the single platform. As the sun sets and solar generation stops, the X1 automatically draws all tenants' required energy from on-site storage and other renewable sources, minimizing the use and reliance on traditional grid power. Track energy use in real time with the Rex Energy app, including individual metering, billing and reporting too. It's renewable energy made smarter, made for everyone, made for everywhere. It's electricity reimagined. Discover your building's true value and apply for Rex X1 by visiting rexenergy.com.au.